Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
This is going to be a fourth.
UMLA ka Voice of the People Party na North Shillong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum lawan ra ke jingkli hing dorbar thau an ke jela hlo ke jing thmu ban pen he ya ka surok hanan polong mat kum ju ru ban chnai ka parking lot ha phan nong light park ban pen light ke jing khap nya ka sor Shillong ha ke jingkli ben rap ula keliru balanu ka sarkar kan Weng no iki Kynroh nar ki ba khang lenti ha them yo molong ne them Metor nama ke jing khang lenti kam Phoida ai dai ka wan rap ban ke jing theng kali ba ke jing khap nya ka than mot pran ula ben rap shu da ka bong ba ule kendu yo sembut men rang ba uba preston ten song nyo benai menchwa bar ula kular ban Weng no re hadu mentaru kadang sa komju halo kani uba preston ten song ulong ba ka sarkar kadang shong perkhan halo kani bat kan shong jilang biang ban shim yakarai ba khadu lanu ban Weng no iki Kynroh na them Metor.
Your last supplementary question.
So this is going to be a fourth.
No. Already
This
four
fourth,
questions done.
This fourth, sir.
This is the last. I'm noting it down.
Yes, okay, sir. So may I get a specific clarification from Honorable Minister? Because I remember last 7-8 months back, I had personally met you, Deputy Chief Minister, President and Song in this chamber. So in this very same regards, how to remove that barricade. My demand is that because I'm the local MLA of that constituency, because I've seen that it is useless, it is meaningless for putting that barricade, as the government itself is not the problem solver, but it is a problem creator. Because of that reason, so in that very day when I met Deputy Chief Minister, he had make a phone call and have a conversation with respected DC. So he had conversation in front of me. I don't know what decision has been taken, but now 7 months. So now again, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister had give a promise, his promise, but I don't know whether that promise will come to reality or not. Please give a specific assurance. What is the mind of the government?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. I think the honourable member from Shillong North, yes, he has already shown his concern, even the concern of the government, because the traffic is so much towards Matpran and then even to Yeomalong side. So recently, yes, we had a meeting. And sir, it is not only the government alone where we can just say open it up. But we need also a detailed inputs, because this one link also with law and order problem. So we have already instructed the district administration and then the SPs, where ultimately I think very soon they will give us all the details input, and we would like to make sure that the entry of that stretch be made open at the earliest possible.